Can't do anything. Learn how to say that you can't do something in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo. Let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार। हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 टेबल स्पून आप सबको बहुत
Hey everyone, welcome to day 22 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Our vocabulary for today is kitab, 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 which means book, kitab. Our second vocabulary word is काम, 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 which means work, काम. This isn't a verb, this is the noun form of work. कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं, कुछ नहीं, which means nothing. We already learned kuch, and just by adding nahi to the end of it, we can say nothing. Kuch nahi, kuch nahi. Our grammar key for today is आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Or आप क्या कर सकती है? आप क्या कर सकती है? Now remember yesterday we learned about sak, which means can. So yesterday we were able to say I can do something, I can speak, or I can read. Now we are asking another person the question, can you do this? So aap kya, again, when kya comes after the pronoun, when it comes after you in this case, aap kya, we're asking what you can do, right? So aap kya kar sakte. Kar is the root of our verb to do, karna. We've of course dropped that na, and we've added sak into the middle, which gives us that sense of can you do something? And we have the masculine ending here that agrees with aap, which is te, right? In this present tense, te. And if we're speaking to a woman, the ending is T. So, aap kya kar sakte hain? What can you do if I'm asking a man? Aap kya kar sakti hai? What can you do if I'm asking a woman? Now, in our second key, we are going to learn how to respond in the negative. Yesterday, we responded in the positive, I can do this. Now we're going to say, I cannot do this, right? So our second grammar key is मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, or मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ. Okay? I can do nothing is what we're saying in a sense. I can't do anything is another way to translate it. I can do nothing. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ if I'm speaking as a man, or मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ if I'm speaking as a woman. Our next grammar key is मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. I can do work. मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. I can do work. If I'm speaking as a man, if I'm speaking as a woman, मैं काम कर सकती हूँ. मैं काम कर सकती हूँ. I can do work, speaking as a woman. All right, now we're going to spend a minute or two drilling this. आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप क्या कर सकते हैं? आप क्या कर सकती है? आप क्या कर सकती है? What can you do? मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. मैं काम कर सकती हूँ. मैं काम कर सकती हूँ. I can do work. आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? आप क्या बोल सकते हैं? आप क्या बोल सकती है? आप क्या बोल सकती है? What can you say or speak? मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ. मैं हिंदी बोल सकती हूँ. I can speak or say Hindi. आप क्या पढ़ सकते हैं? आप क्या पढ़ सकते हैं? आप क्या पढ़ सकती है? आप क्या पढ़ सकती है? What can you read? Or another meaning of this is what can you study? मैं किताब पढ़ सकता हूँ. मैं किताब पढ़ सकता हूँ. मैं किताब पढ़ सकती हूँ. मैं किताब पढ़ सकती हूँ. I can read a book. Okay, everyone, thanks for joining us for another lesson, another day of the challenge. I really hope that you're enjoying these challenges. And if you want to learn more, I would encourage you to look at our different courses on www.hindiunlocked.com. We have beginner and intermediate Hindi script courses. You can learn the Devanagari script, which is the Hindi script. That's a good place to go after completing this 30-day challenge, a good way to continue learning and building on what you've already learned. Another great thing to do would be to go straight into the beginner Hindi grammar course that we offer on Hindi Unlocked. And that's a good place to kind of pick up where you've left off here in the 30-day challenge, because in the 30-day challenge, you're only learning one grammatical tense, which is the present tense. But in the beginner course, you're going to learn different tenses as well, such as the ing, or what we call the continuous tense, and you'll learn the future tense as well. So I encourage you to check out our other courses on HindiUnlocked.com as we get closer to the end of this challenge here. Okay, thank you for watching. We will see you back here tomorrow.